Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. I swear accounting software pricing feels like ordering coffee these days. You just want something simple and suddenly you're choosing between 10 options you didn't ask for. So let's cut through that noise and start straight with pricing. NolaPro immediately stands out because it takes a very different approach from most modern cloud tools. If you're a single user home business, NolaPro's single user desktop version is completely free with no monthly subscription at all. For small businesses that want web access and multi-company support, the starter plan is priced at $6 per month. Mid-sized businesses can move up to the enterprise plan at $12 per month, which adds deeper controls, expanded accounting functions, and more flexibility. Non-profits are also supported at $12 per month with fund-based accounting built in, and larger ERP-level organizations use custom pricing through the NolaPro ERP plan. In short, NolaPro pricing scales gently and remains extremely affordable compared to most modern accounting platforms. Pandle, on the other hand, takes a much simpler and more minimal pricing philosophy. The core Pandle plan is completely free and covers essential accounting needs for small UK businesses. If you need automation and time-saving tools, Pandle Pro is priced at £5 per month plus VAT. There are no complicated tiers, no user-based pricing, and no confusing feature gates beyond the jump from free to pro, which makes Pandle one of the most straightforward pricing models on the market. Now let's talk about what NolaPro actually does. NolaPro is a powerful accounting system that focuses on control, depth, and flexibility rather than visual simplicity. It supports general ledger accounting, accounts payable and receivable, billing, inventory management, payroll add-ons, point of sale, order tracking, and multi-currency accounting. The system supports multiple companies, international accounting, and advanced reporting, making it especially attractive to businesses that want granular control over their books. NolaPro also allows significant customization, including user-defined fields, workflows, and detailed configuration options that many modern cloud tools simply don't offer. NolaPro supports both cloud and local deployment, which is rare in today's market. Businesses can choose a web-accessible environment or maintain local control for compliance or operational reasons. For organizations with technical staff or accountants who prefer traditional accounting logic, NolaPro feels familiar, structured, and extremely capable. It also includes strong audit trails, detailed financial reports, and solid inventory and operational modules that go beyond basic bookkeeping. The pros of NolaPro are depth, flexibility, and cost efficiency. It's incredibly affordable for the amount of functionality offered, especially for businesses that need advanced accounting features without enterprise-level pricing. It's also highly customizable and works well for organizations that want full control over their accounting environment. The system supports complex workflows that many lightweight platforms simply cannot handle. The cons are usability and learning curve. NolaPro is not designed for beginners or casual users. The interface feels dated compared to modern cloud software, and setup can be intimidating without accounting knowledge. Businesses looking for a sleek, guided experience may find it overwhelming, and support is more documentation-driven rather than hand-holding. NolaPro rewards power users, but it demands effort to master. Now let's switch gears and talk about Pandle, which almost represents the opposite philosophy in terms of design and experience. Where some accounting tools try to impress you with depth and complexity, Pandle focuses relentlessly on clarity, simplicity, and speed. It's built for small businesses that don't want accounting software to feel like a second job. From the moment you log in, everything is laid out in a way that makes sense, even if you have zero accounting background. The goal isn't to turn you into an accountant, but to help you stay organized, compliant, and confident about your numbers without stress. At its core, Pandle includes all the essentials most small businesses actually use day to day. You get invoicing and quotes that are quick to create and easy to customize, along with customer and supplier management that keeps contacts, balances, and activity neatly organized. Bank rules help automate transaction categorization, while Stripe and PayPal feeds pull in payments automatically, so you're not manually matching transactions. VAT return submissions are handled directly inside the platform, fully aligned with UK Making Tax digital requirements, and tax estimates and reminders help you plan ahead instead of reacting at the last minute. Recurring transactions reduce repetitive data entry, and the reporting tools give you clear, readable snapshots of how your business is performing without burying you in accounting jargon. Pandle Pro takes that simple foundation and layers on practical automation that saves time as your workload grows. Bank feeds remove the need for manual imports, receipt uploads make expense tracking easier, and cash flow forecasting helps you see what's coming rather than guessing. Project tracking is useful for service-based businesses that want to understand profitability by job, while mileage tracking and stock control add extra structure without overcomplicating things. Premium invoice templates help maintain a professional look. Live chat support gives quick access to help when you need it, and unlimited users plus multi-company management make collaboration far easier. Despite these additions, the interface stays clean and uncluttered, which is one of Pandle's biggest strengths. The pros of Pandle are its simplicity, transparency, and excellent value for money. It's extremely easy to learn, fast to set up, and removes much of the intimidation that small business owners often feel when dealing with accounting software. The platform focuses on what actually matters in real-world bookkeeping instead of piling on features most users never touch. It's especially well suited for freelancers, sole traders, and small teams who want reliable bookkeeping, predictable workflows, and software that doesn't slow them down. Pricing is straightforward, and the feature set feels intentional rather than bloated. The cons come down to depth and long-term scalability. Pandle isn't designed for complex inventory systems, advanced payroll workflows, or highly customized financial reporting. Businesses with intricate operational needs or rapid expansion plans may eventually outgrow it. The simplicity that makes Pandle so appealing to small businesses can feel limiting for larger organizations that need granular controls and advanced analytics. That trade-off is deliberate. And for many users, it's actually a benefit rather than a drawback. Looking at user feedback helps put this into context. On Capterra, NolaPro holds a perfect 5.0 rating, but based on a very small number of reviews, which suggests extremely high satisfaction within a niche user base that values its power and flexibility. Pandle holds a strong 4.6 out of 5 rating on Capterra from a broader group of users, with reviews consistently praising ease of use, affordability, and customer support. As always, ratings can change over time and are influenced by review volume and user expectations, so it's best to check the latest listings before deciding. The final takeaway is refreshingly simple. If you want maximum control, deep accounting functionality, and you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve, NolaPro is a powerful hidden gem. But if you want clean, stress-free accounting that just works, with minimal setup, a friendly interface, and features that focus on real-world needs, Pandle stands out as one of the best small business accounting options available today. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review the features in detail, and see which one fits your workflow best. And if this comparison helped you save time, avoid the wrong choice, or feel more confident about your options, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next accounting breakdown.